How to activate eSIM on Revolut. So if you want to activate eSIM in your Revolut, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, ensure that your device supports the eSIM functionality. Most newer smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches have this feature, but it's best to verify. After that, you need to update your Revolut application and make sure that you have the latest version of the Revolut application installed on your device. Next, you need to check your App Store for any available updates and install them. Once done with all of these, the next step is to access the eSIM settings. On your Revolut application, you need to go with Rev Points on your bottom menu of your Revolut app and then go with eSIM section and follow the steps below, which is tap on install and your eSIM will be installed. Now open up your settings and choose the networks and internet section, whichever device you're using, and select an eSIM. Then tap on next and download your eSIM page and then scan your QR code from your network page. Tap enter it manually on the help adding a new network page. Enter the code that you've received and select continue before tapping down. Depending on your phone manufacturer, the instructions for Android may differ so that you can activate your data plan and use Revolut eSIM for your data roaming. So it was that easy to activate your eSIM on your Revolut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.